Fragrance-free or with fragrance? Alin ba talaga ang mas safe para sa skin mo? Hello there! I'm Chat de Los Santos. I'm a naturopath cosmetic chemist. Maraming natatakot sa fragrance kasi iniisip nila automatic irritation. Pero hindi lahat ng may scent ay masama. The real issue is what kind of fragrance compounds are used. Some synthetic fragrances contain phthalates, the chemicals that act as hormone disruptors and may trigger sensitivity over time. Essential oils are natural, pero hindi ibig sabihin they're always safe. Mataas din sila sa allergens like limonene and linalool, lalo na kapag hindi properly dosed or stabilized. So, ano ang best choice? Go for mild, skin-safe essential oil blends or low-level fragrance systems. When formulated correctly, essential oils don't just make your skincare smell good, they can also support mood, calm inflammation, and promote skin healing through their therapeutic benefits. Hindi mo kailangang matakot sa fragrance because when done right, fragrance can be both safe and therapeutic. Follow me for more skincare truths and message me if you want to know which natural blends might suit your skin best.